this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Summer's coming, and one thing everybody craves is potato salad or macaroni salad. So I am going to teach you how to make the most delicious macaroni salad that you can't tell it's not keto. That's how good it is, okay? What I did is I got 2 of these packets of the macaroni style skinny noodles. I boiled them for 10 minutes, okay? And got the water out. So now I'm just gonna add ingredients that you need to make a macaroni salad. So this is about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix this in real quick, let it blend in really good. Now this is hot, you're gonna have to refrigerate it, but this is kid tested and my kids absolutely love it. I put tomatoes, you can put celery, you can do whatever you want. Peppers, eggs, and the secret to making this taste so good is to use chicken seasoning instead of just salt and pepper. You want to do about a 1/2 cup of cheese. Now you have the perfect macaroni salad. You refrigerate this, guys, and you cannot tell that you're not eating macaroni salad. One more thing, guys, I want you to know the other thing you can do to this is you can add tuna to this and make it a tuna casserole. You can add chicken to it and make it a chicken casserole. You can do whatever you want to this, so you don't have to just make it vegetarian like it is right now, okay? I just love this. I'm telling you, this is as close as it gets to the real thing. That's why I love those skinny noodles. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching. Visit us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Healthy Treats Market, to see more videos of keto-friendly dishes like this. You can also like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market, and join our Healthy Treats Market support group. And if you don't live nearby, go to HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order online. Thanks for watching. God bless you.